Hi, I'm Joshua Marshall, that is David Church over there, and that's our cameraman. Now,
Hello.
I'm going to be crossing the Almond River and shit here, but oh god.
Is it cold?
Freezing.
This is like take 2, eh? You've already been in a pond.
It's freezing! You said it was warm though.
I don't care if I said it was warm. I never said it would be warm. I said it might be warm. Okay, that bit's deep. How many layers of clothes are you wearing? Yeah, it's like, what, 3 trackies did you say, Josh? 3 trackies, 2 pants, 3 layers of socks, old shoes, 2 tops, and a jumper.
Further, I should say this idea was sent us by Kira or something.
Kira Richards. Yeah. Doesn't have YouTube, so she sent us it over a messaging site. Right, I'll show you the route that he's planning to go.
Close to me?
No, Josh. There's nope. You're doing good. How far away from you from land? Right.
Oh crap! I see it's found this one. What? I'm glad.
Right, there. That's a rock. That little white thing in the middle of the screen.
I thought that was cold as the pond though. But yeah, sorry guys. Okay, about the pond because I really got fucked up.
Yeah, it's a bit cold, eh?
Yeah, the pond was too cold.
Oh, yeah. The bag. He's carrying. That's just in case he gets kind of swept away by giant current. By his awesomeness, then. Claim the rock, Josh. We're gonna plunge. You alright, Josh? The balloon! You enjoying this, David? Balloon! Oh yeah, we found some onions like over there, so he's put them in his trousers for good luck.
You're evil!
Yeah, yeah, he says they're evil if you didn't hear that. How far away is he actually? He's like halfway! Well done, Josh. Thanks Kira for the idea. We haven't actually found out who the winner is yet. We've got a few good ideas. We're planning to film another one today. Don't know if we're going to get round to it though. The bag just dropped off. Josh, the bag just dropped. You on the other side yet?